Hi, everybody. This is Jerry Garrettson, Tabea Law. I want to go ahead and read this real quick. And God said, "Let the waters bring forth abundantly the moving creature that hath life, and fowl that may fly above the earth in the open firmament of heaven." I want to talk about EWI and asylum law briefly. EWI, EWI stands for Entry Without Inspection. And this is in regards to our borders, northern border against, of course, Canada, and the most, well, the one that you see in the news all the time, and it's our southern border. So these are folks that are coming into the country without inspection. And without inspection means that they're not stopping at a border crossing. They're not checking in with Border Patrol. They're coming in over a river or through the woods or desert, and they're coming out over into this country. They're making entry without inspection by the Border Patrol. And so generally, that is obviously a no-no. That's illegal, and that will, again, generally get you a ticket back to wherever you came from. And so that's not necessarily what I want to talk about. I want to talk about EWI in the within the context of asylum law. Now, so here's the exception to the general rule that if you come into this country without inspection, you're going to get removed. The old terminology was deported, whatever, it's semantics. But coming into this country without inspection, generally you're going to get removed. Border Patrol is going to get you out of the country. And that's a whole long discussion by itself. But I wanted to talk about asylum law in that context. So with asylum law, these are folks that have a genuine fear of being prosecuted, or they are being prosecuted or persecuted. I'm sorry, and or they have a well-founded fear of persecution for a number of reasons. And here, if it is a legitimate asylum claim, then there is no removal for EWI. So if they come over the border without inspection through the desert, over the water, and get picked up, but they have a valid asylum claim, then they'll be allowed to stay. The entry without inspection will not be held against them. They will not be removed. They'll be able to stay in the country. They'll be able to work. They'll be able to have a advanced parole, which means that they can leave the country again and come back without having issues. They'll have a pathway to get a green card, and for not only them, but for their spouse and children under 21. So that's it for today, and we'll talk about something new next time. Thank you so much. You have a good day.